Circular saws have been used since the 18th century as a tool for loggers to cut large hunks of wood easily and efficiently. But today, many handy men and women also have purchased their own to use in personal do-it-yourself projects, not just in woodworking, but also to make cross, rip, and even bevel cuts with precision and ease. With today's technology, it's no wonder there are so many varieties to choose from. But it can get a little bit daunting, especially for beginners to look for what they need and what will suit them, but of course also one that'll be worth the money they pay. Today, we're counting down some of the best circular saws on the market to make your shopping decisions easier and better. Let's begin. At number 1 on our list is the M18 Fuel 18-volt 7¼ circular saw. This cordless circular saw runs on a 12-amp battery and is specially constructed for carpenters, remodelers, and contractors that depend on the strength and efficiency of heavy-duty, long-lasting tools. The power state brushless motor fitted in this saw is designed to produce the kind of energy and overall performance that you'd get with a 15-amp corded circular saw. The M18 Fuel 18-volt cordless circular saw has a built-in Red Link Plus intelligence that ensures the best equipment performance and gives overload protection to prevent damage to the tool and battery during heavy applications, but sustains compatibility with the entire M18 system. What makes this product stand out from among other circular saws on the market is that it's powered by the Red Lithium High Output HD12 battery pack, which is compatible with the entire M18 system. It's packed with 50% more power and runs 50% cooler versus its earlier version. This allows your circular saw to produce more cuts per charge, outlasting other high-voltage saws, and it provides a full day's worth of work on one single charge. It's what also separates the M18 Fuel from the rest. It provides your tool with a strong execution, efficiency, and reliable performance. The M18 Fuel cordless saw has a magnesium shoe and guards for maximum durability. The M18 circular cordless saw cuts smoothly and is easy to control. The superior pack construction offers the industry's excellent safety in opposition to job site conditions. This saw also has an integrated dust port on the guard and an included vac adapter for your safety and to reduce cleanup. It also has an integrated rafter hook for easy storage. With the M18 Fuel, there's nothing more you can ask for. Taking our second spot on the list is the Makita 15-amp 7¼ corded lightweight magnesium circular saw with LED light. This product has long-lasting magnesium components and a powerful 15-amp Makita industrial motor. What makes it a remarkable product is that it offers strength, durability, and ease of use with the power expected of a corded saw. It also has a built-in dust blower that helps you cut with precision and accuracy without accidentally inhaling sawdust. The Makita 15-amp 7¼ corded circular saw is designed for a variety of applications, from framing the walls and roofs to splitting panels like plywood, particle boards, and solid structural boards. It comes with magnesium components and big rubberized levers that make this saw well balanced and lightweight, reducing strain on your hands as you use it. Thanks to great Makita engineering, there's a lot of power packed within the engine, giving you accurate cuts every single time. This is a perfect tool that can assist you even in the toughest job sites. It's made with a special M-shaped tooth design to maximize cutting performance for a high-speed, reliable cut throughout your project. Each tooth on its blade is tipped with carbide that can break through even nail-embedded wood as if it's cutting through butter. The blade is also ultra-coated to lessen heat and pitch buildup for faster, quieter cuts. It also has special Makita heat vents strategically set to dissipate heat and enhance performance. The circular saw also comes with comfortable rubber grips on the handle for better fit and greater control. It also features an LED light that improves vision and accuracy when cutting. It's a lightweight saw that gives enough power for your projects or work. It's a user-friendly tool that's perfect for both professionals and DIYers. It's not easy to pour through every available tool in a hardware store. What did you think of the 2 we've listed so far? Make sure to stay tuned because we have 3 more products to go. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you can get awesome reviews for your best quality products, tools, and machinery out there today. Hit the notification icon so you can be notified whenever we post new lists. We're sure you'll never be disappointed. And now let's continue with our list. At number 3 is the ONE+ Cordless Circular Saw from RYOBI. This tool is an upgraded version from an earlier release, giving you the performance of a corded device and the convenience of a cordless one. It's fitted with a strong motor that provides a speed rate of 4,700 RPM. The handle features a grip zone overmold technology that increases friction between the hands and saw for added grip and comfort, without sacrificing its integrity or durability. Another thing we liked about this circular saw is that it has a front pommel handle that lets you use both hands to give you a more supported and cleaner cut. The RYOBI ONE+ Circular Saw is equipped with an improved motor that has 40% more power than a standard corded saw, plus up to 35% increased cutting capacity to go through 2x4 material when compared to the previous P506 model. It has a 6.5-inch 24-tooth ultra-thin kerf carbide tip blade for fast, clean cuts every single time. Its 0 to 56 degree bevel cut capacity enables the user to cut the most common angles with ease. The depth of cut can also be set easily by adjusting the screw right below the dust port. There's a dust port that can also attach to a vacuum cleaner to keep the sawdust away, leaving you with a clean, dust-free environment. This circular saw has a blade on the left side to let you see the cutting line without obstruction. It has an onboard wrench storage for fast and easy blade changes. It runs on an 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery. One charge lets you cut through 100 meters of 11mm plywood. This will be the perfect addition to your RYOBI ONE+ system since it uses the same battery for operation. That means you won't have to buy a separate one if you have one or more of the 50 tools that belong to the ONE+ system. That's great value for your money. At number 4 is DeWalt's FlexVolt 7¼ circular saw with brake. This battery-operated saw has the efficiency and cut capacity that a corded circular saw can provide. Powered by the world's first and only FlexVolt battery pack that automatically changes the voltage when you change your tools. It will allow you to get to places where power cords and extensions would not permit you to go. There's no need to worry about cords getting tangled and wrapped around your legs while you move from one place to another, especially in high areas like roofs. Professionals love this product for its limitless capacity to work even in the toughest working conditions. The DeWalt FlexVolt circular saw can cut a depth of 2 9/16 inches of wood. It's powered with a 60-volt brushless motor that goes cleanly through even the hardest wood. At 5,800 RPMs, you'll have fast, precise cuts, making it the perfect tool to help you finish your work quicker. Its safety features include a blade brake with power switch lock, so it only turns on when you're ready for more cutting action. At 7.5 pounds, its built creates nice straight cuts all the way. It also comes equipped with a hanging feature perfect for cutting rafter tails and a wide base for cutting in a 45-degree bevel angle. And what you get is perfect and precise kerfs every single time. It's a right-handed tool, so lefties might need some getting used to with this one. Other than that, its ability to work as well and as hard as you do makes the DeWalt FlexVolt circular saw a fan favorite among both professionals and beginners alike. Finally, at number 5 is the Worm Drive Circular Saw from Skillsaw, the company that dubbed this the saw that built America. This circular saw is a powerful, heavy-duty corded tool that's perfect for long hours of crossing, slicing, and ripping. The 7.5-inch 24-tooth Diablo blade that comes with this powerful tool is made from strong aluminum and tipped with carbide, a compound used in high-speed cutting tools to increase its hardness and durability against frequent and heavy usage. Skillsaw Worm Drive is powered by its revolutionary dual-field motor, which the company makes specifically for their saws. Dual-field motors are designed to cool themselves better. This cooling feature helps to extend the life of your worm drive as it runs up to a maximum speed of 5,300 RPM. It's also a pound lighter than its older brother to minimize fatigue while in use. But don't let the weight fool you. It's strong enough to cut on most hardwoods, even on wet lumber, without bogging down. It promises professional-looking results every time, saving you from disappointment. The 51-degree steel bevel allows you to make a wide variety of cuts. You can also make precise adjustments using their cut-ready system to measure the depth of the cut. It also comes with a 3-position rafter hook to ensure safety during placement of rafters and ease of storage. The blade and plate are perfectly aligned so it won't bind against the wood. It can never get any better than this. The saw comes in a regular carton box, so you might need to make room for it in your shop or make its own case for storage. All in all, we can't complain because of the power and efficiency it provides. So if you're looking for a circular saw that will last you a very long time while promising to always deliver the best possible results, then look no further than the Skillsaw Worm Drive. And there you have the top 5 best circular saws you could own. We hope that we were able to help you cut through all the sales talk and tell you exactly what you need to know with each of the items we listed. If we missed anything, be sure to let us know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to ReviewTube for more videos like this and to be notified of new ones every time by clicking the notification bell beside it. Comment down below on what you'd like to see us review next. Thanks for coming by, and we'll see you again in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.